Hello everyone, I am Shivam Pasari and welcome to ASN Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve a question that has been taken from the CAT 2023 exam slot 2. Now the question is as follows: if p square plus q square minus 29 is equal to 2pq minus 20 is equal to 52 minus 2pq, then the difference between the maximum and minimum possible values of p cube minus q cube is. Now we have provided 4 options for this question. Option A 486, option B 189, option C 378 and option D 243. So this was our question and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come to this video for the solution. I hope that I've tried the question and you have got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to our given question, we are given that p square plus q square minus 29 is equal to 2pq minus 20, which is further equal to 52 minus 2pq. Now what we have to find is, we have to find the difference between the maximum and minimum possible values of p cube minus q cube. Now we have 3 equations. If we equate this equation with this equation, we'll have the first equation. Then equating this equation with this equation, we'll have our second equation. And then equating these 2 equations, we'll get our third equation. And then we can find the values of p and q. And then we can easily solve our question by formulating the cases. So let's begin. So the first equation that we have is p square plus q square minus 29 is equal to 2pq minus 20. So we have p square plus q square, taking 2pq to the LHS. So we have minus 2pq is equal to minus 20 plus 29. Now p square plus q square minus 2pq is nothing but p minus q whole square. So we'll write that, and minus 20 plus 29 is nothing but plus 9. So we have got the value of p minus q as plus minus 3. So we have got our first equation and then we have solved it, and we have got the value of p minus q as plus minus 3. So we can get 2 cases, one as plus 3 and other as minus 3. Now solving the second equation that we'll have is p square plus q square minus 29 is equal to 52 minus 2pq. Now again doing the same, p square plus q square plus 2pq is equal to 52 plus 29. Now this is p square plus q square plus 2pq, which is equal to p plus q whole square, and 52 plus 29 is nothing but 81. So again we're doing the same, p plus q is equal to plus minus 9. So again we have 2 values of p plus q, that is 9 and another minus 9. Now let's equate our last equation, that is 2pq minus 20 is equal to 52 minus 2pq. Now if we take 2pq on the same side, we'll have 4pq is equal to 52 plus 20, that is equal to 72. And we know that 72 by 4 is equal to 18. So we have got pq's value as 18, and we have got p minus q as plus minus 3 and p plus q as plus minus 9. So from here we'll have 4 cases and then we'll find the values. So let's find the cases. So beginning with our first case, taking as C1, we'll have p plus q as equal to 9 and p minus q as equal to 3, and upon solving we'll get 2p is equal to 12 and the value of p is equal to 6. Now we had got that pq is equal to 18. So we can say that q is equal to 3. Now if we find the value of p cube minus q cube for the first case, the answer will be 189. So the answer for case 1 for p cube minus q cube is 189. So we'll formulate the values side by side. Now for our case 2, we'll have p minus q is equal to plus 3, and for this we'll have p plus q is equal to minus 9. Now if we formulate for this, we'll get 2p value as minus 6. So p value is equal to minus 3. So the value of q becomes minus 6. Now if we find the value of p cube minus q cube, in this case, again we'll get our value as 189 because p cube in this case is minus 27, q cube is minus 216 and p cube minus q cube is 189. Now let's take our case 3. So for our case 3, we'll have p minus q value as minus 3 and p plus q value as plus 9. Now again, if we add them, we'll get 2p value as equal to 6. So in this case, the value of p is coming as 3 and the value of q is equal to 6. Now we know that if p's value is equal to 3 and q value is equal to 6, then we'll have p cube minus q cube as minus 189 because we'll have 27 minus 216. So in that case, p cube minus q cube is equal to minus 189. Now going for our last case, that is case 4, we'll have p minus q is equal to minus 3. Then we'll have p plus q is equal to minus 9 and then we'll get 2p's value as minus 12. So in this case, we'll get the value of p as minus 6 and the value of q as minus 3. And if you calculate the value of p cube minus q cube in this case, we'll again get the value of p cube minus q cube as minus 189. So we have got all the 4 cases and we have got all p cube minus q cube values. Now we just have to calculate the maximum difference. So the highest value is plus 189 and the lowest value is minus 189. So upon calculating the difference, it will come as 378.
That was all for this video and I hope that you understood all the topics covered in this video. And if you have any doubt, then you can post your doubts down in the comment section or you can send your doubts to us to our channel's official Instagram or Facebook page and we will surely solve your doubt as soon as possible. Or you can go to the official website of ACN Academy and you can send your doubts to us from there and all the links are provided down in the description. And if you did like the video, then please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel ACN Academy.